Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Srinivas Forsage. Before going into today's topic, I would request you all to like and comment on my video, and please share with your friends if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I make a video, you will get all the updates. Let's go into today's topic, that is how to create a Zoom meeting link. See here, just open the Zoom application, and here it is. You can see like new meeting, join, schedule, and remaining all whatever the settings are there. I'll talk in next video. So first we'll talk about new meeting. So new meeting means like, for example, if you want to conduct the meeting suddenly, so you want to talk with your colleagues, you want to talk with your team, so without any time, so you can just conduct a meeting. You can start a meeting, and then you can conduct a meeting with them, right? So later, after that, you can join meeting. So what is this join meeting means? Like, for example, if any of your company, or if a senior, or if your upline have sent a meeting ID to join the meeting, already scheduled meeting, then you can uh, keep here that meeting ID. Then after that, it will ask you to join. So here it is showing your name, then you can join it. That is a meeting join. Then here schedule. So main topic, like how to schedule a Zoom meeting link. So here see, here already it is coming like Srinivas Zoom meeting. It's coming, and the date is 24th today. So I want to schedule it for 25th from 4 o'clock to 4:30. So you all know that in free version of Zoom, you will have only 40 minutes, right? So just I will take only 30 minutes. So repeat, if you want to repeat it, you can keep it daily with the same link. You can do it. See here, it will ask you repeat. If you don't want to repeat for only for one day, you are creating for link, it will keep it here none. If it is like every day, then you can select on every day, and every week, every 2 weeks, every month, and every year. So if you want to do regularly in the same link, you can do it. So attendees none, here it is there. So you can like you can write names here, or you can keep it mails, all those things you can do it here. Then what happens here? Done it is. Any attendee is asking, okay. Then see, here it is like there haven't attended any added any attendees. So here it is asking like invite. So what I'll do here, I'll go to directly to the invite. You can add invitees to either through email or through messages or WhatsApp and WhatsApp business. Then see, I'm going for copy to clipboard. I copied it, then I can send it. Means I copied it, then I can send it to anyone through either my WhatsApp or through email. Anything you can do. So for example, see, I'll show it to you like WhatsApp. I'm sending it to I'm sending it to my number. See, see, this is Zoom scheduled for tomorrow, right? So whoever clicks on that, they will come and join your Zoom meeting. So see, you can see it here. It's already scheduled for tomorrow. And if you click on this, it will show you, right? If you want to add to calendar, here it is there. Here you can see the calendar. You click on to add to calendar. Okay. 50 minutes before, see, here it is showing you 50 minutes before. You're adding it to calendar. So 15 minutes before, it will remind you meeting, right? Save. So it's saved. Here it is there. See, Zoom meeting link is there. and tomorrow 15 minutes before it will remind you calendar, and then you can directly join into the meeting. Okay, so that's all today for today's, and I think you all understood how to create a Zoom application and Zoom meeting link to conduct meeting with your colleagues, with your team. Thank you so much. My name is Srinivas. Thank you.